Hey there, fellow gardeners. I'm sure all of you have experienced moments in your garden where you are surprised, amazed, or baffled by what's happening with your plants. I want to share with you one of my experiences. First, a quick background. I recently grew teak seeds, and you can find the link to that video in the description below, and was quite happy when I finally achieved good results because previously I had experienced a lot of difficulty. But here's what happened. When I went to make the 4-week update, things got strange. Here's the unedited original version of my reaction. And these are looking really, really good, and I believe we have a 100% success rate. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're going to have to pause this video because we've got 10 seedlings and we only planted 8 seeds. Yeah, I was quite baffled because I had planted 8 seeds and suddenly there were more than 8 seedlings. What was going on? So I did some research, and it turns out that teak seeds are polyembryonic, which simply means that there is more than one embryo in each seed, and that it can produce more than one sprout from one seed. Once I realized what was going on, one of the first things that came to my mind was if it was possible to separate the seeds from one another and, in a sense, get free teak seedlings. So that's what I did. I gently dug out some of the teak seeds that had grown multiple sprouts, separated them, and replanted them. I did it twice to make sure my initial results were not a fluke. It's been another week, and the separated seedlings in both containers are doing great. The leaves are a little burned, but that's probably because they got too much intense tropical sun. So, it seems, you almost always get at least 2 seedlings for the price of 1. A bargain! If you are growing teak seeds and see more than one sprout emerging from one seed, do not be surprised, and use it as an opportunity to simply propagate more seeds. Let me know your experiences in the comments below. You know, I don't do merch, I don't have sponsors, and I don't push products. But simply by watching one more video from one of these links, you can truly support my independent YouTube channel. Thanks so much, take care, and be well.